Hello friends, welcome back to Restart UPSC. So far, we have solved 30 questions from the number systems section, and today we'll be solving 31 to 35 questions in this video. See, what is the question? What is the remainder when 51 into 27 into 35 into 62 into 75 is divided by 100? This is a very simple question. By using the formula, we'll solve this question easily. I'll show you the formula. This is the formula. In the CSAT formula book in page number 11, you can find the concept of reminders. See, what is the formula? We'll write in the here itself. Reminder of A into B into C into D and divided by N is equals to remainder of A by N plus remainder of B by N plus remainder of C by N plus remainder of D by N, and also remainder of PDF. See here. Remainder of A plus B by N is equals to remainder R1. That means we'll get R1, the remainder when A is divided by N is R1, the remainder when B is divided by N is R2. Simply, we have to add the remainders R1 and R2. Right? No need of any more. Okay. See. By using these two formulas in the question, we'll solve this question very easily. 51 into 27 into 35 into 62 to 75 divided by 100. What is the remainder? The remainder. We'll convert it as remainder of 5100 plus remainder of 27 by 100 plus remainder of 35 by 100 plus remainder of 62 by 100 plus remainder of 75 by 100. See, this we have written from this formula. Now what we'll do, we'll convert this one into this representation. Let this be equation number 2, right? From the equation 2, you can also write it as remainder of A by N plus remainder of B by N is equals to remainder of A plus B by N, right? That means you can write this as remainder of 51 plus 27 plus 35 plus 62 plus 75 by N. Now, simply add all the above numbers. 250 by 100. What is the remainder? This 50 is the remainder. 50 is the no. See, this option. Simply by using the formula, we have solved this question, right? Okay. Now let's go to the next question. How many pairs of natural numbers are there such that the difference of whose squares is 63? We'll consider let x comma y be the pair of natural numbers. What is telling? The difference of squares. That means x square minus y square of this pair should be equals to 60, right? So x square minus y square is equals to 60. There is a formula that x plus y into x minus y is equals to x square minus y square. We'll represent as x plus y, x minus y is equals to 63. Okay, we'll find the factors of 63. How can we write 63? 63 is equals to 3 times of 21, right? That means 3 times of 7, right? This can also be written as 1 into 3 into 3 into 7. If you consider 1 is a factor, that means 1 into this entire thing will become 63, right? See, what will be 1, comma, see, now this entire pair, right? Now this entire pair we have to consider, means 3 into 7. What will become? 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 7, 63. This is one pair. Now, we'll take, if we take 3 as one factor, the remaining is 3 into 7. This will become the other pair of factors. That means 3, comma, 21. Now, if we take 7 as one factor, the remaining will be 7 into 3 into 3. That means 9. Right? Now, we'll take each pair as one possibility and solve this equation. Okay? Let's see. Let's consider. The factor is 63 is equals to 1 into 63. What will become? X plus y into x minus y is equals to 1 into 63. That means this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Right? When x and y are two natural numbers and they are different, right? So x plus y cannot be 1. So x plus y should be 63 and x minus y should be 1. And see, similarly, we can write the other thing is 63 can be written as 3 into 21. Similarly, x plus y into x minus y equals to 3 into 21. The third possibility is 7 into 7 comma 9. That means x plus y, x minus y is equals to 7 into 9. The greatest value will become the sum and the least value will become the negative. Right? By solving these things, what do you get? There are two. See, x plus y is equals to 63, x minus y is equals to 1. Means if you add both the equations, 2x is equals to 64, x is equals to 32, and y is equals to 31. Similarly, we'll get two values. We'll get here x and y value. Here also we'll get x and y value. Means this is one pair, this is one pair, this is one pair. So here he's asking how many pairs, right? So answer is 3 pairs. Right? Now, let's go to the next. Which one of the following will have minimum change in its value if 5 is added to both numerator and the denominator of the fraction? 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6. What is telling? Let's take 2 by 3. It's telling that he's adding 5 to numerator and denominator. What will become? Become 7 by 2. That means 87.5%. This is 66.66%. Again, it's telling is given 3 by 4. Now we are adding 5 to numerator and denominator. It becomes 8 by 10. That is 88.88%. What is this? This is 75%. No. 4 by 4. Right. So what we are doing? We are adding, I know, that is 90%. What is this value? This value is 80%. 5 by 6. 5 by 6 represents what? 81.66%. Okay. We are adding 5. That means 10 by 11. The equivalent percentage will be 90.90%. What is asking? Which one of the following will have minimum change in its value if 5 is added? Minimum change. Right? Now, we have to find change between these values. See, for option A, the change is 87.5 minus 66.66, right? Somewhere, if you consider somewhere 21, right? Nearly. He's asking minimum change, we'll find the approximate difference. See, for option B, what is it is 88.88 minus 75, right? Let's consider this is almost, that means 88 minus, we'll take 89 minus 75, that is 14. Now, for 4 by 5, the change will be 90% minus 80%, that is 10%. Now, option D. For 5 by 6, what is the change? 90.90%, right? See, this is 10% and this is 21 and this is 14. That means 2 by 3 can't be the answer and 3 by 4 can't be the answer, right? Now, from the option means 5 by 6, the resultant is 90.90% and this is 81.66%. See, if we consider, see, the difference is less than 10%. It is almost 9.30. Right? This is the minimum change. That means the minimum change is happening in 5 by 6, option 2. Now, a digit n greater than 3 is divisible by 3, but not divisible by 6. Which of the following is divisible by 4? What he has given? N divisible by 3, not by 6. That means n is odd number, right? N is odd number and it is multiple of 3. Simply what we'll do, we'll take n as 9. Okay, it is multiple of 3 and not multiple of 6, right? What we'll do, we'll put this n is equals to 9 in the options. What will become? Option A, it becomes 18. Option B becomes 27. Option C becomes 18 plus 2. This comes into 2. And what will become? 28. What is telling? Which one of the following is divisible by 4? See, 28 is divisible by 4. That means answer is 3n plus 1. Let's go to the next question. The integers are listed from 700 to 1000. In how many integers is the sum of digits is 10? Now see, from 700 to 1000, we'll go step by step. 700 to 700. What is telling? 3 digit numbers and the sum should be equal to 10. Now from 700 to 799, 7 is fixed. That means what are all the possible values here? It can be 0. If this is 0, it becomes 3. If it is 1, it is 2. If it is 2, it is 1. If it is 3, it is 0. Right? That means 4 possibles are there. Now from 800 to 899. 8. If this is 8 here, if you take 0 here, it becomes 2. If you take 1, it becomes 1. Right? If you take 2, it becomes 0. That means 3 possibilities. Now from 900 to 59. 9 is fixed and see, if you take 0 here, this becomes 1. If you take 1, it becomes 0. That means 2 possibilities. Here 4, here 3, here 2. 4 plus 3 plus 2. That means option that. Okay friends, this will be the last video for this day, and thank you friends for watching. Please share this video to friends and families whoever are preparing for UPSC and other examinations. Thank you friends.